Hey Jordan, we're here in Main Street Flushing. It's like the mini Chinatown, but it's in Queens instead of Manhattan, where you get a choice of all these different entrees you can choose from. It's just a delicious place to be.
This is called. What's it called? Broccoli.
Chinese broccoli, that's what it's called.
Chinese broccoli.
Yeah, and you got all those different dishes. Why don't you stand up and show Facebook the different dishes? Just take the phone over there.
Okay.
You don't have to say anything. Just take the
I'll show you.
camera. Just show them. Go ahead. Just you don't have to show everybody.
Look at all this stuff. Wonderful.
Okay. Anyway, Facebook. That's mini Chinatown right here in Main Street, Flushing, and we're enjoying some bok chow and some mushu,
Shrimp, sesame shrimp.
all that good stuff, clams, and all that. Right, sir? Are you enjoying yourself tonight? Some good clams? Good. Enjoy yourself. Have a great
Mommy, did
weekend.
you get some clams?
No.
I want to taste the clam.